This is my second time recording this video. I got halfway through the other one. Hey, I know I've been away for so long and I'm so sorry, but I just cannot find time and quiet time to shoot a video. And that is why there's a disclaimer on this one. If you hear any noise in the background, it is Baby Ali. He's right here in his playpen, in his pack and play. And he's playing around, so you're probably gonna hear some noise. I just made a purchase. I bought a craft supply. I'm a huge crafter if you know me. What it is the Explorer Air 2. And it's mint. Mint is like my favorite color, so. I bought the everything bundle, which they have on the actual website. So first I'm going to show you what you get if you buy just the machine. So just the machine, you get the machine, you get a black pen, power cord, manual, USB cord, and a mat. So that's everything you get in just this box. But since I bought the bundle, mine came with a lot of other stuff. So, and after the sale and the coupon that I found online, I ended up paying $296.99. So that is really great. And this is a business purchase, so I'm excited about that. Because I was actually able to use the money I got from my business, because I've been running my Etsy shop full time, to make this purchase. So it's an investment. So you get this in a box, but then you get this other box. And this is the box I want to show you what's inside. So you get a cutting board. I don't know, it's not a board, whatever. You get a portable trimmer. That's what it says. That's the name. I already have one of these, but this one looks bigger, so that's cool. You get the, well, it's not what you're going to get, because I think each box may be a little different. They said as supplies last, things like that. So I got the deep point blade plus housing. And this is for you to cut thicker, dense materials such as chipboard. I think I know what chipboard is. Chipboard, leather, thin metals. Then I have the premium fine point blade, the scoring stylus, and the basic tool set. Now my problem is, not a problem, but I wish this would have came the same color as the machine, because I wanted like a set. Like they sell this in mint. But I'm not gonna like buy a mint one when I have these now. So it is what it is. You get some pens. You got these color ones. This is the wildflower pen set. And then they give you these multi-pen set. They're in black, but they're not all the same pen. They're different, you know, point, like there's 0.4, 0.8, 1, 2. There's two of the 2 ones. So yeah, on the back it shows you how it writes, so that's good. Then we get into these things. I have window cling, a black one, and I have a red one. I don't know when I'm going to use window cling. I guess this is really cool if you're... You okay? You okay? I guess these are really cool if you're like a teacher. Because then I always think about teachers who put stuff on the windows. But I just don't know when I'm going to use this. But I will, because I paid for it. Then there's these 3. There's vinyl, which is black, which I know I'm going to use. Transfer tape. And then there's dry erase vinyl. This is really cool. Also, don't know when I'm going to use this. Like, I don't need a dry erase board right now. This probably would have came in handy if I was still at my old job where I ran the after school program. But also, in the future, plan to open my own, so who knows. Then you get these things. I have the portable magnet sheets. I don't know when I'm going to make magnets. Print iron-on dark. I'm definitely going to do some iron-on. Printable vinyl. This is cool. Printable sticker paper. You know I love my planner. I will be using this. This is faux leather. I actually really like it. A lot of people's bundles I saw, they were like, oh, I don't know, I don't need leather. But this is actually really cool to me. I already got an idea for what I'm going to make. This is washi sheets. That's a little hard to say. You trying to say it, Ali? Poster board metallics. And then you get this variety pack. So it's just the same as this. Same one. But I think it's just 4 of them in different colors. No, it's 3. So it's 3 in here. 3 12 by 12 mats. And that is, okay, Ali, let me show them the box. Everything you get. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, because if you find a good deal like I did, it's definitely worth it. Because now I have all these supplies and there's just so many things I can try. Like there's gonna be tutorials and things I'm watching, and I can go, hey, I have that. Let me try to make it. So I think it is everything you need to get started. It is a bit overwhelming because I have no idea where I'm gonna start, but now I have everything I need. That's all I wanted to come on here and say and share with you. If you want some tutorials, I'm trying to get back into craft videos. Let me know what you want to see me make. And as always, have a wonderful day, and thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please do. And also follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is Instagram is like the main social media site that I update. So you will see me making things, dropping ideas. I like to interact with you guys. So follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below. And as always, peace. Have a great day.